defeated by you. Snow, nor the summer heat, I will not be defeated.
I want to remain strong and healthy, free from greed and anger, always smiling quietly.
In a day, I eat 4 bowls of brown rice, miso, and some vegetables.
In all matters, at all times, I will never be selfish or put myself first.
Look carefully, listen closely, and understand fully. Always keep these things at heart.
A small house with a thatched roof, hidden in the shadows of pine trees. That is where I live.
To the east I will go, if a sick child need be nursed. To the west I will go, if a tired mother needs help carrying a bundle of rice. To the south I will go, if a dying man needs comforting, for he need not be scared. To the north I will go, if there are fights and grievances to bring to an end, for they are petty and worthless.
In times of drought, I will shed tears.
During cold summers, I will wander at a loss.
People call me blockhead.
No one will sing my praises, nor will I be a burden.